see our room. We have a nice little couch, a little sitting area, if you will. The bed, king size. The desk, makeup area, little bench, little benchy bench. Mini bar, which we won't be getting into, but we will be using the fridge for waters and things. And an ice bucket, some cups, TV right by the bed. And our bed also is right by the window, which means we can wake up to sunrise. And this is the best part. Love a balcony. It's also 60 degrees in Florida today, so a little chilly. We do not have an obstructed view. We have a very wide open view of the Carnival Magic and the Norwegian Prima. Love a balcony. All right, let's go see the bathroom. Come on, where we do the business. Actually, wait, well, you can see all of our luggage, but lots of cabinets, a couple drawers, and then there's hanger space behind there, but all of our luggage is there. So, okay, bathroom. We got a little bit of a surprise in the bathroom. There's a bathtub. What? So, bathtub, towels are in there. Some cabinet space, a little trash can. We also have a cabinet over here. And then we have 3 shelves over here. We also have some toothbrush holders. That's new.
How far does the bath go?
I mean, it goes back.
Hop in there.
You would? Okay. Oh, wait. Oh, that's fun. So we can do a full little.
Oh, geez.
This is the first. I mean, like, I'm used to being in a shower that's like. But I mean, we can do a full.
Yeah.
Heck yeah. That's exciting.
So, I have to move the microphone a little bit closer, but.
No.
These buttons here, this is a do not disturb button and a makeup room button. So when you guys are out and about, whether you're like on the island or whatever, you'll just flip this when you want your room made up, and your do not disturb for when you're inside or you want to sleep in. You got your, go ahead and
I've already put that down.
all the way down.
It started up there.
But this is room
13197.
197. We're still missing our
Champagne
and some other goodies, but yeah.
Good space. Really good space. Storage is pretty decent. Do we have, let's see if we have under the bed storage. I mean, we have decent room under the bed, so we can put.
Is there USBs on that?
Not seeing plugs over here.
Doesn't look like it. What kind of plugs?
So we have 2 outlets here. We have a USB here. We have some European plugs here. So the plug space is not ideal, but that's okay. We'll make it work. Yeah.
Cool.